Today we'll be doing yet another cosmetic tweak to my 2018 Audi S4. I really don't like the rear diffuser having chrome on it and being gray on a red car. I want it to be black. So I've purchased this pretty cool little diffuser from ECS Tuning, and as you can see, it's black. We're gonna start by lifting the car. Gotta always set it safely on the locks. Let's get started. But as far as I can tell, we need to take these two 10 mils off. I wish they'd give you a manual. That's not the best. And it looks like there's a bunch of clips you have to push on. So really what we're talking about is unhooking these black clips all around. We're figuring this out together. Release it so it's not captured. It's super hard for me to show this to you guys because the clearance is just so little. But essentially I'm just twisting so this red part goes down, and then I'm pushing out to push the diffuser out. There is a wire harness here, and I believe it's for the kick sensor. The sensor where you can wave your foot under the trunk and the trunk opens. Actually, some people don't know this car does that. I've met other owners that aren't aware of that. You know, so here it is once you've removed it. I'm not sure if the ECS Tuning Diffuser has a space for it. If not, we'll just probably 3M tape it down. All right, Jesus, that's dirty. We've got the new black diffuser. I gotta say, it looks really pretty. I wish they had thought of this wire. They didn't. It does look really nice though. So I'm thinking I just line up the two 10 mil bolts, and then that should get me most of the way. And then I think it's just snap in past that. Align it a little. I'm gonna take our 10 mil bolts and just kind of line them up for now. Or actually nuts, I guess, in this case. Just so I don't forget about them. I think what I'll do with this cable, and I don't want to pull it out because you know, it's behind those bolts now, is I think the cable, I will just 3M tape it on both sides, and that should probably be good. I'm using this very high bonding tape from 3M. Love this stuff. I'm just gonna attach it around the sensor. And this VHB tape, it requires pressure. It's not like glue where it just dries up. You have to push on it and then it sets. And if you're curious, this is what it looks like when I've stuck it down. And same thing up here on the other side. Again, I wish they created a proper channel for it, but it's okay. What I'm doing now is going around and making sure that we've completely engaged. Yeah, I think we're totally set. So now we just gotta snug up these 10 millimeters and that's it. That is looking pretty good. Let's get it down on the ground and check it out. I want to take a quick pause to let you know that I have a link to the product we're installing today down below in the description. It's an ECS Tuning affiliate link, and if you click through and buy anything at all on ECS Tuning's website, I will receive a small commission that helps support this channel at no added cost to you. And of course, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please click like, please leave me a nice comment, and of course, subscribe. I love talking to all of you guys, and I hope to see you down below in the comments. Now let's get going and finish this install. The car's on the ground, the diffuser's on, and I think it looks fantastic. I'm really excited to take it outside, drive around, maybe see what it looks like in the sunlight. Unfortunately, it's raining, so I won't be able to do that right away. With our ECS diffuser installed and looking sharp on the car, let's talk about the installation, the quality of the part, and overall what I thought. The installation is not that difficult, but I wish there were instructions. I do think there should always be instructions with a product. I had to look at the new product, kind of see where the clips were, and go in there with a long screwdriver and kind of poke around and figure it out. And overall, the ECE is, I'd give it a 1 wrench. I think anybody could do it on some jack stands. Heck, even I think if you crawled under the bumper of the car, you'd be able to do it. Not that bad at all. And if we're looking at it from a quality of the part perspective, it's hard for me to say right now. Body parts need a little time to see if they stay clipped in, if they warp. Our Texas heat is very serious here. And of course the hot exhaust and everything. We'll see if there is any long-term warping or any other issues. But right now mine fit perfect. I have seen a few people complain saying theirs didn't fit well. One thing to note is that the way it slots in, there's 2 things you need to watch out for. One is you have to push all the way through so that you clip in. And also when you're removing the original diffuser, you want to make sure not to mangle those clips. And then the other thing to note is that you can slightly realign and adjust the product because those clips are not the full width of the hole they're being inserted to. So if you're finding that one side's a little tighter than the other, all you need to do is just push it and adjust it a little bit because those clips will slide around in their holes slightly. So you can get it dead center. Mine snapped on and was dead center right away. I didn't have that issue, but I can see how if you didn't line it up perfectly when you put it in, you might have to nudge it a little. And then as far as the visual looks of the product, I think it looks terrific. The black really killed the chrome that I hated. Looks so good with the red. Now, one thing I wish that they did was implemented the same grooves for that cable sensor that goes in the back of the diffuser, where you can use your leg to open the trunk by waving it under the diffuser. I don't know why they didn't include little clips for it. I had to use 3M tape. I think they should have included, even if they didn't do a whole channel like the OEM one, they could have included 2 little clips that allow it to pop in. So that is something I'll ding them on the build quality. So if you want a nice black diffuser, it looks super good. There will be a link down below to ECS Tuning. It is an affiliate link. And of course, guys, I'd love to talk to all of you. If you enjoyed this video, there are more Audi videos gonna be coming out. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a nice comment, leave me a like, and I hope to see you really soon.